Hello Avishkaris! Are you ready to show off your creativity and robotic skills by solving big real-world problems? Then join us at Avishkaar's Innovator of the Month Challenge. It's a super fun contest that happens every 2 months. Each competition is a new adventure, based on a theme that challenges you to design some robots or machines that can tackle real-world problems. And guess what? Your invention could also help the planet and its people by achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. Imagine making robots that can do amazing things. Students all around the world have solved huge challenges with their inventions, like fighting pollutions or helping people with disabilities. Whether you are a maker, a coder, or a dreamer, it's your time to shine. Here's what you do. Design your robot or machine based on the theme. Once your masterpiece is ready, record a video showing how it works. Upload your video to the Avishkaar community and share it with your friends and family to gain as many likes as possible. And the best part, you can also win some amazing prizes and be a star in the Avishkaar community. Your great ideas will inspire others and might even change the world. So jump into the world of innovation with IoTM. Sign up today and register yourself for the competition. Check out the Avishkaar website to join and learn more. We are excited to see the amazing things you'll create. See you at the contest.